Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to start a new content as promised previously to my followers. Hopefully, it's going to help you too much to develop your development skills about ASP.NET Core. Alright, before starting my video, if you don't subscribe my channel, that please do, and do not turn on your notification, which is really crucial as great contents are on the way. And this video going to be a foundation for my future projects and your future development skills. Alright, let's start our roadmap. As you can see, there is a main red title and there is sub green and yellow titles. It means we are I split the roadmap to three video, which is going to be first one is the starter, second and third one will be intermediate and expert. I'm going to teach you about starter section in this video, and there are many green titles which they are going to be another playlist. And if you're watching this video for a while later, um, you will able to see the each playlist will be appear your right top your screen. All right, perfect. Um, by the way, I'm planning to make these two one playlist as they are theoretical information, and I don't want to make you bored so much, but it's going to be essential to your development. So just consider these two just um, one playlist, and the rest of the green titles going to be the one different playlist. Okay, let's start our roadmap now. Learn about web and how to search for solutions. Guys, while I was trying to develop myself, trying to self-studying, I just skipped this section. Just directly find language lessons from YouTube and Udemy. I try to learn coding, but I struggled too much. I was trying to make some application without knowing anything about web, and I don't have any clue except Google how to search for the solutions on the net, because I don't have any mentor or teacher or anything. All right, so first of all, I need you to know how the web work, what the basic terms are, what is the HTTP protocol and HTTP functions. It's going to be really good foundation for your initial start. And also you need to know how to search for solutions on the net. 95% I'm using, if you ask me personally, I'm using ChatGPTs, both version 3.5 and 4.0, and then I'm using Google, and the less I'm using a Stack Overflow, because if I'm not using a ChatGPT, probably I would have used a Stack Overflow much more frequently. But ChatGPT is really working really good, guys. Okay, after you finalize these sections, you can continue with version control system. Actually, you can delay version control system and start after C# coding language in this section. But in my playlist series, I'm going to show you the first version control system because I'm going to use this while I was creating my playlist and teaching you how to how to learn coding language and database syntax and for the future projects. So I'm going to start to teach you the first this one. But if you're using a different source, you can um, you can study this section after coding language. It's going to both of them is going to be all right. Perfect. After finalized version control system, we will continue with the C# coding language. It's going to be massive, expensive um, learning lessons, guys. Even if you know everything, if you think you know everything, just watch one time this series because I am doing really big research about languages. I'm trying to make a video every detail what I know, and while I was creating this playlist, believe me or not, I'm still learning something new, and I will be happy to teach you every detail about language. All right, perfect. Then I want you to know what the database is, what the syntax are, At least you need to know a basic information about database and syntax. But in my playlist, I'm going to show you a deeply information about the databases, how you can create tables, database, and how you can type your syntax, how you can manipulate them, how we can um, do integrations, information in our databases. I will show you everything detailed. But if you just how can I say, if you don't like the using database systems, but if you need to use them, at least you need to know what they are, what the main syntax, and how can you use the database while you creating your own project, guys. All right, then I will talk about. It's going to be theoretical, little bit theoretical, a little bit um, hand-on experience uh, playlist. So we're going to do some codings and we talk about some talks what the solid is, which is going to be the capital letter of the each um, title. As you can see, SOLID. We call them all solid principles. And before starting your project, I want you to know what they are using for. It will be crucial for your future projects. Alright, then you finalize this section as well. I want you to move on ASP.NET Core Terms and Basics, which is going to be what the middleware, talk helpers, exceptions there are for ASP.NET Cores. I'm going to make a great playlist as well. I'm going to make a really informational videos for you guys. If by the way, these yellow titles are mostly, how can I say, symbolic. Actually, we do have this section, but we may have more of them. So if I would like to add something into the playlist, I will add as an extra. Don't worry about it. Okay, perfect. Once we finalized everything in our roadmap, we will move on to creating new basic level MVC project, API provider project, and API consumer project, guys. So you're going to be finished and accomplished successfully with a starter roadmap when you finish this playlist. And it's going to be take a little bit long because we have many titles and we have many thing to wait. Things are waiting to be learned, and it will be amazing. I think, hopefully. All right. I'm going to finish this roadmap here. And if you like this video, I will be appreciated. It really motivates me. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, please do and turn on your notifications. If you have some questions, don't forget drop comment below the video. And is there anything should I tell you? I guess I'm totally done for this video. Take care of yourself, guys. See you on first lesson. Learn about web. Take care. Bye bye.